Welcome to the Now Network. Welcome to the Now Network. Here's a bite-sized journey through the fascinating world of bioluminescence. Right now, under the cloak of the ocean's depths and in the thick of dense forests, nature's light show is in full swing. We want to know what you think. Leave a comment below. Bioluminescence, the ability of an organism to produce and emit light, is a surreal spectacle. It's a survival strategy employed by many species, from fireflies flashing signals in the night to deep-sea creatures illuminating the ocean's abyss. Did you know that the glow emitted is a result of a chemical reaction within the organism? This radiant display serves various purposes: attracting prey, deterring predators, and even communication. Isn't it amazing how nature has its own light bulbs and they don't even need a power source? So the next time you see a firefly or witness the ocean shimmering in the night, remember, you're looking at nature's very own neon sign. Stay curious, stay illuminated, and remember,